Hi, this is Mandy from Sunflowers and Doors. Welcome back again to my channel. Just another quick video from me, just with a quick preview of the add-on kit for the Letters from the Attic challenge that we're running in the Facebook group. The challenge is running throughout June 26. There is 2 kits to choose from if you want to purchase the kits, and they are 25% off for the month of June from my Etsy. The information will be in the link below, but there will also be loads of freebies in the Facebook group. Again, the link will be in the information below, so there's no need to necessarily buy the kits. You can play along with the freebies that will be in the group. It's going to be a 4-week challenge. There will be a new prompt each week, and there will be an opportunity to win a kit from my Etsy if you take part in the challenge. But again, all of the information will be in the link below, and you just need to pop over to the Facebook group for the specifics. But yeah, just another quick video from me. Hope you enjoy the kit, and would love to see you take part in the challenge. Until next time then, as always, stay safe, be well, and I'll catch you soon. Bye for now.